And welcome to today's Retirees with Certified Financial Planner Wayne Maslyk of Great Lakes Benefits and Wealth Management. On today's program, we are going to be talking about taxes. And I know that in this season, Wayne, folks really enjoy sitting down and going through all of last year's bills and receipts and doing their taxes. It's what we live for.
Well, I'll tell you, not me, right? But it's amazing how many folks that we do their tax returns and they can't wait to come in.
Oh, really?
We already have appointments set up. They get all their stuff.
Well, you're such a fun guy to talk with.
Well, or they're getting a big refund, one or the other.
Okay.
But yeah, it depends. Yes, you have some people that push the limit and even extend and don't even get their taxes done till October. But then you get others that they want to get it in and over with.
Mm-hmm. Now, you guys at today's Retirees or Great Lakes Wealth Benefits, you guys do a kind of a neat thing, an $89.95 tax return.
Yes.
So that's one of these, I was in a store the other day and it says if you switch to us to do your taxes, we'll give you $50.
Right, I've seen that. Yeah. No, this isn't a first time only, switch to us, we'll do it for $89.95. We've been doing this for years now, probably going on 5 years. And what we do is we offer folks, not everybody, but folks that generally need my services as far as a financial planner, certified financial planner, money manager, folks that have a certain amount of wealth. Folks that don't, they can go down to many places, senior center and other places, and get their returns done for free or practically free. We try and save people that are used to paying $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 for their return. They come to us and it's $89.95.
Sure.
It's a huge savings, and it's like that year in and year out for them. I don't charge them $200 or $300 or $400, the subsequent years. It's $89.95. It is a unbelievable deal. It's CPA prepared. It's not an enrolled agent or just an accountant prepared or someone that knows how to do taxes. It's a CPA, and a top-notch one at that.
Sure.
It's state, federal, and local returns all included for the $89.95.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now that is an excellent deal. Now let's talk a little bit about the type of person, because my thinking, and you correct me, feel free to jump in there and tell me I'm nuts, but at this time of year, you can look back and look at expenses and income and all of this, and some of us look at those two statements and say, really? But it's a good time to sort of let you kind of help go through that and say, here's some ways to maneuver.
Well, one way where we're different is getting proactive with our clients' taxes. Okay? And of course, it's hard to get proactive now in 2014 for 2013's taxes.
Sure.
Okay, it's too late. Now we could, of course, utilize all of the tax savings techniques and strategies that are out there for last year, and most of the times we pick up things that the previous accountant didn't do for the folks that come to us for the first time. We even go back and amend previous year's returns in many cases.
Oh, wow.
Just to get them back more of a return because something was done incorrectly or they didn't take advantage of what was available to them, especially when it comes to college funding and college education or home office deductions, or if they had a loss from hail damage or theft or something like that. We generally find some nice tax savings for a lot of people. But what we look for is for clients that can benefit from our proactive approach. Okay, it's whether they use our CPA or their CPA, we get proactive. What can we do in 2014 to lower their taxes?
Sure.
And generally people that need their taxes lowered have some assets. Someone that doesn't have any money isn't going to pay any tax generally.
Correct.
So we do look for folks with some net worth to work with and help.
Sure. So friends, what I'm hearing I'm not going to try to put words in Wayne's mouth, but what I'm hearing is this is an unbelievable deal at $89.95, a CPA prepared tax return. Now there are some qualifications. What we would encourage you to do is to pick up the phone, 866-626-3990, and talk with one of the ladies. I'm sure that Kristen or one of the other folks there will be happy to talk with you and see if you qualify. Now, when I say you qualify, you're looking for someone that you can help. I mean, like you said, if you have a basic income and you know, not a lot of deductions, there's not a lot you can do there. It's a basic thing.
Qualifications are pretty simple. I mean, it's not a litany of hoops they have to jump through to get $89.95. If they're retirement age or approaching retirement age, okay, we're not looking for 30-year-olds, right? We're looking for folks approaching retirement or in retirement, and then have a net worth of $250,000 or more.
Okay.
And a net worth includes their home, right? Their investments, savings, mutual funds, 401ks, other retirement plans, land, property, rentals, all that's net worth.
Sure.
So they don't have to have, you know, $250,000 sitting in a savings account to come and work with us. They just need to have somewhat of a net worth. We're here to help. You know, my company's Great Lakes Benefits and Wealth Management. So they have to have some wealth in order for me to help them.
Right.
So that's what we're looking for. So, you know, someone that has some wealth and that is retirement age or approaching, and it's $89.95, year in and year out.
Very good. Well, friends, we're going to take a break right here. Go to the phone, set up an appointment with Wayne's office, 866-626-3990. We'll be back right after this.